You know, everybody's asking, where's Chopper Rod? Where's Chopper Rod? You know, Chopper Rod and I are friends. We don't need to be connected at the hip all the time. He does his thing and I do my thing. And you know, before Chopper Rod was...
Remember that sound?
Yeah. Before Chopper Rod was Chopper Rod, he was...
The junk collector.
He was Hot Rod. Chopper Rod has always been a hot rod guy, and this is his newest acquisition. It's a 1969 Chevy Nova 350, a sleeper. Motors. You said what's going on with the motor?
It's built. It's built. It's got scorpion valves. Yeah.
Scorpion valves.
Scorpion roller set. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't even have the freaking keys here right
man. That was anticlimactic. I'll just dub in some noise, okay?
Yeah, you need to. No, let me go get keys.
All right, let me cut this for a second because I'm running out of battery. But this is your truck is a 57, right?
Truck 57, yeah.
And the SRT is what?
2004.
Or SSR or whatever the heck this thing is. I don't know, man. I'm a motorcycle guy. I'm a Dapper Dan man. Ronnie's got more friggin'. I think he's almost in competition on motorcycles as many as I have. Don't come over here thinking you're going to steal something. His old lady is mean as hell. She'll shoot you. Hey, got to interrupt the video just for a second. It's Shovelhead Fedge out in the Shovelhead shed. This is my 2002 decommissioned law enforcement police motorcycle. It's a great story behind this bike. Maybe I'll do a video on it one day. Anyway, you know, there's a joke that how do you make God laugh is you tell him your plans, and how do you make Harley-Davidson laugh? You tell him you're going to go riding on a Sunday. And so yesterday I went to ride this, and my accelerator pump on my S&S E was leaking because I let this bike sit up too long, and the high fructose corn syrup that we use for fuel ate into the accelerator baffle. So I had to pull this off yesterday, clean it all out, put it in the ultrasonic cleaner, clean it all out, completely rebuild it. You guys seen me rebuild carburetors, the S&S so many times. I'm not showing it. But the reason why I'm interrupting the video is not because of this bike, which is a cool bike and there's a great story behind it. I'm interrupting it because of this bike here. Hang on a second. As you know or don't know, this is my giveaway bike. It's a 1980 FXE lowrider Shovelhead. And in fact, you're watching a video about it right now. Go to shovelheadfeds.com and get yourself a $25 ticket. You guys have been awesome. Dude, we really sold a lot of tickets. In fact, I think cool thing is that hold on, let me get out, let me get the light right. We sold a lot of tickets, man, and so that's a good thing. That means that pretty soon I'll be giving this bike away. Somebody's definitely 100% going to win the bike, and it's a fantastic bike. I wish I wouldn't have did it as a giveaway. I would like to have kept it myself. In fact, after 120 miles, I think 126 miles on it, I parked it for a week, and that is the amount of oil, which ain't bad, and that's clean oil, so that's telling me it's probably coming from just one of the oil lines. That oil over there ain't from there, it's just right here. So that ain't bad for a Shovelhead. In fact, that's pretty friggin' awesome. In fact, I wouldn't even friggin' I wouldn't even fix it, but I'll fix it. I'll get it to quit leaking. That's pretty damn awesome for a week. Anyway, Go there, buy t-shirts, buy hats. It's what keeps this channel going. Yeah, whether I had this channel or not, I'm still gonna do these bikes. You know what I mean? But this is what keeps the channel going, so I can have a channel and I can justify spending all the time doing what I'm doing. And so go to my website, shovelheadfeds.com. Help me to keep this little thing going. And that's it, man. Peace out. T-shirts, hats, stickers, yada yada, you know, all the crap, man. Listen, I live in the same world that all you guys live in. Dirt broke, been poor my whole life. 25 bucks is a lot of money right now. But then again, 25 bucks is a case of freaking beer. I mean, things are so expensive now. So any dime that you guys put towards this bike, I really do appreciate it. I appreciate it more because, yeah, 25 bucks is 25 bucks, you know. Hey, 5 bucks is 5 bucks. And it's hard to come by, and I appreciate you guys buying the stickers. Of course, the more you win, the more you enter, the more stickers that you buy, the better chance that you have. And yeah, I'm just rambling. Peace.
Now, back to our breathtaking video.
He has a Honda trike. Come on. Oh. What's the matter? You lost your keys?
I'm looking for I lost the keys. I'm not lost them, but I misplaced them.